Kejriwal refuses to answer the question. The Aam Aadmi Party calls it a conspiracy. Now, the BJP has responded to this charge of the Aam Aadmi Party calling Kailash Gehlot's resignation a conspiracy.
वही हुआ जैसे ही कैलाश गहलोत ने मंत्रालय से आम आदमी पार्टी से इस्तीफा दिया, आम आदमी पार्टी का पूरा इकोसिस्टम उनके ऊपर हमला करने लगा, कहने लगा कि कैलाश गहलोत तो ये है, कैलाश गहलोत तो वो है। अरे भाई, कैलाश गहलोत इतने बुरे थे तो अभी तक मंत्री क्यों बनाया था? सवाल इतना ही है कि ताउम्र आम आदमी पार्टी यही गलती करती रही, धूल चेहरे पर थी, आम आदमी पार्टी आईना साफ करती रही। पूछिए इनसे कि अन्ना हजारे ने भी तो आपका साथ छोड़ा, क्यों छोड़ा? प्रशांत भूषण ने छोड़ा, योगेंद्र यादव ने छोड़ा, आशुतोष ने छोड़ा, आशीष खेतान ने छोड़ा, एक के बाद एक सभी नेताओं ने छोड़ा, कुमार विश्वास ने छोड़ा। ये इसलिए छोड़ा क्योंकि आप स्वराज से शराब घोटाले पर आ गए।
So the BJP says that the Aam Aadmi Party should look within on what has gone wrong. There's no point of calling this just a conspiracy. Niamika also live with us. Niamika, what does this mean for the Aam Aadmi Party coming ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections? Because this is not just a question of one of the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party just resigning from the party. The allegations that he has made against the Aam Aadmi Party is scathing. He has mentioned the Yamuna River cleanup. He has mentioned Sheesh Mahal, while also going on to say that the Delhi government is not working for the people, but instead is busy fighting with the centre.
Well, indeed, it is a big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party as the assembly elections are coming in the national capital, and for that reason now Kailash Gehlot has resigned not just from the position within the cabinet but also from the primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party. On one side, we have seen that how Aam Aadmi Party is saying that it is being a conspiracy which is being hatched by the BJP, but on the other side, the BJP leaders are also slamming the Aam Aadmi Party on the basis of the letter which is being written by Kailash Gehlot, because it has not just mentioned about the Sheesh Mahal but also about the cleaning of Yamunas. That was one of the promises which the Aam Aadmi Party had made in the last assembly elections, but that is not being fulfilled. It is not being seen on the ground, all of these promises which were being made by Arvind Kejriwal at that point of time, and that's the only reason why he has also mentioned that these are all the embarrassing points for all the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, and that is the reason why he is being forced to resign from the primary membership of the Congress Party. However, on the other side, we have also seen that how the India Bloc partners are also coming in support of the Aam Aadmi Party, which also includes the Congress, as the Congress is also saying that it is basically being sponsored by the BJP, and that's the only reason why all these scathing attacks are being made by Kailash Gehlot in his resignation letter.
But the BJP did have a counter to that, asking if that was the claim, then why was he enjoying the cabinet until yesterday? Why is it that he was part of the Kejriwal cabinet and then continued to be in the Atishi cabinet as well? Niamika, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details.